Hey, this is Greg with BlipSnips, and I'm here to walk you through a brief tutorial of a brand new BlipSnips for Facebook application. I've covered the iPhone app component of this release in another video. Right now I'm going to walk you through how to use the brand new video player and tagging environment which we've launched on Facebook. The very first thing that you're going to want to do is type in the word BlipSnips right in the Facebook search bar when you're logged in, of course. You'll see a number of hits for BlipSnips, but the two most important ones are the BlipSnips company and the BlipSnips app. With respect to BlipSnips company, click on this if you ever want to sort of catch up on the latest news and events and product information that's going on from the company and the team. But for now, what I want you to do is hit the app link. For first-time users, you'll be brought to a landing page that effectively shows you information about the product. Then we'll ask you to allow the app. Many of you have already allowed plenty of apps for Facebook. It's the same exact process, just to effectively gather permissions for us to do things like post "you've been tagged" to your wall and other similar notifications. Very similar process. What you see here, now that I've gone to my BlipSnips page, I've already, of course, allowed the app and have created many different BlipSnips, both from my iPhone as well as from my desktop uploaded Facebook videos and YouTube videos. I'll take you through a brief tour of the user interface here. The very first thing that you see here is My BlipSnips. This is an array or a collection of all the videos that I've created and snipped and shared with my friends in the past. They're all titled by myself, and they combine a mix of both my YouTube videos, as you see here. They don't necessarily have to be my YouTube videos, just YouTube videos that I found interesting on the web that I want to share and perhaps tag friends that may be in them, as well as Facebook videos. I can also view my friends' BlipSnips. These are all the people associated to my Facebook social graph. So any one of my friends that have allowed the app, in this case my co-founder John Bliss, another one of our employees, and community manager James Moreau, and any of my friends that may possibly be using the app, I can go and find and look through their specific videos and, again, enjoy them. I also have the ability to locate and add my favorite videos, the favorite BlipSnip videos that I see that perhaps either I create or my friends create. I can tuck in my favorites, and I'll show you how that works when we get to the video playing page. But what I want to sort of show you is how to create a BlipSnip. So very simply, click Create a BlipSnip. The first thing that we bring you to is, where do you want to generate this BlipSnip video from? From your collection of your personal uploaded Facebook videos, like you see here highlighted, or perhaps a YouTube video, either yours or one that you've searched for on the web. We're going to do a YouTube video in this example. We give you two options in creating a YouTube video, either searching the YouTube corpus itself, or if you have the URL for your YouTube video, in fact I have that already, you can simply drop that in, copy and paste, and click Create BlipSnips. And what we see here is the video.
We're wrapping up a
These are my friends.
Here in Bokel, Holland.
I've muted out. And as the video is playing, the very first thing that we allow you to do upon a pause is create a tag. You can touch any part of the video surface or the timeline, and we immediately pause the video. And the most important thing we do this for is to give you control, so that the video isn't playing while you're trying to inject your tags and write comments about people, etc. We pause the video to give you control. So in this case, I see my friend. Here is Brandon, and I want to notify Brandon that he's been tagged at a specific moment. So I'll click Tag Friends, and I'll type in Brandon, and automatically I see him. I'll use my down arrow and then the tab key to promote Brandon as being added to that part of the video, and now I'm done tagging. So Brandon now is associated with that moment. When I'm finished writing the caption and of course tagging any of my friends, Brandon in this case, I'll hit Add Moment. And again, we continue on. You can cursor forward. In fact, here's another one of my friends. Click. We pause the video. Here is Brian. And again, I can tag a friend, type in Brian, and again, use the arrow key down, tab key, and we've now tagged Brian in that moment. So I'm done tagging, and I'll add that moment. The more you can add as many moments as you wish. You can also go back and edit the moments. Perhaps, oh, I forgot to add a specific friend. You can edit by clicking the pencil icon and edit your moment. So we effectively provide you the ability to go through and curate your own video, marking up your key moments, tagging your friends, and of course naming the video anything you want. By default, in the case of YouTube videos, we just grab the name of the video from YouTube, but I can rename it to whatever I want to in my BlipSnip case. Here is Brandon and the guys in Belgium. And that's the title of my video. When I'm done, I'll simply hit save and share, and I'm finished. Automatically, everyone that's been associated to this video, Brandon, Brian, and anyone else that I've tagged, have been notified on their wall or in their newsfeed that they've been tagged at a specific moment. They can click on that moment and be driven back right to this specific BlipSnip video so that they can enjoy it and see themselves, and of course go on to share these specific moments, as you see here, with all their friends of their Facebook social graph. Well, that's a very quick preview of the BlipSnips for Facebook application. I hope you enjoy it, and we'd love to see you create and share your favorite moments. Thanks again for using BlipSnips.